Want to manage your construction projects, leads, and clients efficiently? Here's how to use Zoho CRM for construction companies. Sign into your Zoho CRM account and start by customizing modules for your construction business. Use leads to track potential clients or project inquiries and contacts for client details. Set up a projects or deals module to manage construction projects, including budgets, timelines, and assigned teams. Create a sales pipeline to track the status of projects from inquiry to completion. Use tasks and events to assign responsibilities to your team, such as site visits, approvals, or client follow-ups. Configure workflows to automate reminders, notifications, and status updates. Finally, generate reports to monitor project progress, revenue, and client engagement, giving you a clear overview of your construction business operations. That's it. Zoho CRM can now help you manage leads, clients, and construction projects seamlessly.